If you want to find the password of your Apple ID, there are two methods. If one doesn't work, try another. As you can see, there are two methods to find the Apple ID password. So you simply have to enter your Apple ID, and here you simply have to enter your password. It will recognize your Face ID. Now you will see this Apple ID password will be changed here. This is what I focus on. All you have to do is click on it, and whatever information you have simply copied and pasted will appear here. So this is the first method. Now there are other methods that you may have tried from your browser at some point. From there, you must have logged in with your Apple ID at some point. This is often the case. Safari is also available, but Chrome is the best, so you have to open Chrome. Now you are seeing these dots below, these three dots. You have to click on it, and after that you have to simply tap on the word Password Manager written here. It will recognize your Face ID, and below, all your passwords will be saved here. They will appear here. You need to tap it, OK? And you can see your username and password, so that's the video. If there's anything else you don't understand, I will make a video on that too. You have made a good video for raising awareness.